Andito ako ngayon sa Tel Aviv Central Bus Station. Tapos hindi gumagana yung elevator. Tapos first time kong bumaba dito na may maleta. Ngayon, nasa ko, 7th floor. 7th floor. So kailangan kong buhatin tong maleta hanggang 4th floor yata. Tapos hindi gumagana yung escalator. So ganyan dapat kapag ka nag-o-off, magmaleta para struggle is real. At kinaya ko nga bumaba from 7th floor to 6th floor using escalator na hindi gumagana. At dyan nga po sa floor na yan ang destination ko, kaya kailangan ko pa maglakad. At dahil hindi pa rin gumagana ang escalator dyan, manual pa rin ang pagbaba ko mula 6th floor papuntang 5th floor. And I think if you keep your body moving, like you do running, walking, or some workouts, and eventually your body will become strong. And because of that, you will have strength. And that strength can help you, especially in times of unexpected challenges. Challenges that you can face with all your might. All you have to do is to start and do it. Because we really need to take care of ourselves, because health is wealth, always. Start now and do the workout that you love.